Lang maisip eh. Ano masabi mo sa surprise? Na-surprise ka ba? Hindi mo lang talaga. Akala namin nakakatunog ka na. Kasi,
Feeling ko nga natulog na siya eh.
Best actress si Abs, yeah!
Support! Sabi ko kung sa college.
Dapat may trophy si Abs.
Oo nga eh. At si Ice.
Oo nga, nasa si
At
Ice.
si Ice. Di kinaya. Next na siya eh. Oo, next na siya.
Ay, hindi niya alam yung mga
Parang di alam. Di alam. Ano masabi mo?
Sobrang thank you. Kasi,
You know?
Oh!
support us.
So yun.
Sobrang thank you. Akala ko talaga parang wala lang, nalungkot na ako. Nag-order na lang ako ng pizza.
Kayo na lang ni Abs kakain.
Pati si Nobu, isama mo lang si Nobu. Oo, Nobu, okay ka na.
Uy, fairness sa isang araw ko din pakita sa'yo! Labo. Sorry, ang ingay para. Sakit na ng earphones.
Oh my God.
Kasi sobrang thank you talaga. Sobrang na-appreciate ko effort niyo. Tumingin. Tapos, ayun nga. Sobrang...
Sa isa. Sige. Participation. Nag-luto ng food ay si Ogs, si Lydia. Ayun, si Obia. Nag-grate ng cheese, si Abs, tsaka si Ogs. Tapos nakitulong din sa luto si Ice. Tapos, kami ni Rona yung bumili ng cake. Tapos, ako yung gumawa ng video, sorry, fail. Tapos si Nobu yung dakilang guard.
Dakilang guard.
Mahirap look out eh. Dapat look out natin to eh. Tapos yun, ano pa ba? Si Ronnie naglagay ng candles. Si Abs yung best actress.
Kala ko di ko
Yes, effective. Tapos ako yung taga-silip sa door. Yun. Tsaka yun, hindi dyan nagtatapos celebration na ito dahil may hawak si Nobu. Nobu, ipasok ang card. Si Kenbot.
Oh my God.
Tapos yung card na yan, may messages.
Basahin mo.
Galit.
May isa dyan, ibang lingwahe. So,
Good luck.
So, good luck.
Alam ko na sa isip niya si Nobo ang nagsulat.
Pero hindi si Nobu yun. So, yun. Para sa'yo yan. Pwede bang basahin mo sa host na host? Bunda. Basahin mo sa amin ang nakasulat sa card. Di ba
Go, boy.
Happy 19th birthday, Jay. God bless. Ingat tayo. Good luck. Jitam. Oh, baby girl. Wala naman si baby girl. Ano ba?
Kasi next na siya.
Magulo yung akin. Love, happy ik birthday.
Kamali eh. Kamali siya eh.
Jen, happy birthday. God bless. Abs, no? Abby? Oo.
Birthday?
Maligayong bati, nak. Sobrang
Hoy!
thankful ako kasi
Gawin
nakilala kita. Thank you sa lahat. Love you sagad. Alam mo yan. We've been through a lot.
Yak na rin si Mara.
Asian 27 SGH, hip, baby kita. Dito lang si Nani. Love you. Shabu pa. Shabu pa. Best wishes and...
Huwag niyong bibidyohan ha.
Wag
Tapos na.
With good friends. Ay, ano to, Chris?
Chris from Russia. Oh, bongga! United
Yes.
Nations!
International.
United Nations.
Chris!
Si Chris!
Christina Aguilera.
Okay. Nagsulat yung kahit puyat siya. Sabi ko, sorry.
Babe, salamat. Oh, babe. Salamat sa pagtulong sa akin ng fair attending. Gusto ko pa matulog tsaka happy birthday. Oh, thank you. Dear Flair Idol. Nax!
Nakakalax.
Happy birthday, Nicole. Thank you. Oy, si Charlotte!
Yeah.
Happy birthday. Hindi ko ito naiintindihan. Ano yung
Joyous.
Stylish.
Ay,
I
Verzali.
wish you all the best. Please. Okay. Saying it, Chuk. Sending you kay Chingu. Wishing you all the best. Wait,
Diba? May Korean tayo dito.
Thank you.
Meron pa. Hindi ko lang nasulat. Hi, JJ. Happy birthday. I super duper miss you and your beautiful voice. Haha, bonding soon with Dubai peeps. Okay, love you from Ana. Tapos, dear Charo. Meron pa. Hello. Happy birthday. Kamusta dyan? I miss you. I pray for good health, long life, and good career ahead of you. Team Jake. Until now, di ko pa rin napapanood. Season 3, episode 1. Anyway, good luck dyan.
Okay,
Happy
random.
birthday again. I love you. God bless. Virtual hug. See you soon. From Gail Chepong yan. And then, meron pa. From Jake Agana. Idol, happy birthday. Ingat dyan and stay happy. From Mary Rose Gomez, ang daming fans. From Mary Rose Gomez, from the Philippines. Jayan, happy birthday. God bless and ingat kayo dyan lagi. Good luck sa everything, especially sa love life. Thank you so much for everything. And ito, from William. Happy birthday, Jayan. Okay. Next, from Nix. Jayan! Alam mo na yan. He. The best to eh. So yun, happy birthday. Tapos ang dami na rin bumati sa'yo online eh. Mga TFC subscribers. Ay, Nix.
Isa-isahin mo daw yan sa profile ni Jean.
Isa-isahin ba natin?
Sa profile niya.
So, abutin tayo wait lang. Yung mga lang, mahaba na lang. Yung happy birthday lang, wag na. Ulit-ulit. Ayun, kay Vanessa, happy birthday, Jean. I miss you. From Carlo Luna, happy birthday, Jean. Enjoy the party. Yes, updated. From Ali, happy birthday to you. I hope you had an awesome day. Stay happy. God bless. Here's Brett Dabber greeting you as well. Team Jake. From Gail ulit, happy birthday. This one's for you. Para may iba naman, di picture natin, itatag ko sa'yo. Haha, I miss you. Happy birthday din, sabi ni Brett Dabber. Chos, God bless on your Dubai internship. See you 2014. I love you. Take care. Team Jake forever. Okay, wait. Loading pa po. Kasi yung hilig ko sa ganito eh. Babasahin ko sa'yo yung message nung card. So, dapat ibang tao magbasa sa'yo para umiyak ka eh. With love to someone special. Looking back, wow, debut. Debut. Graduation. Looking back on all the happy times we've shared and the treasured memories we hold, make your birthday such a special day. So this message brings a lot of love and wishes for your happiness, especially because you're a very special person and you always will be. Those we rely on and value the most are often the last ones to know because they're familiar and always around. We take them for granted, and so it's nice to have one day for saying the things we've been meaning to say all the year. Like just how happy they make us feel by being so special and dear. So, Jean, because you're someone we can always count on to lend an ear or give a helping hand, because when things aren't going very smoothly, we turn to you and you'll understand. Jean, because your cheerfulness can lift my spirits and kindly words can brush my cares away. Because of all these things, we want to thank you and we want to wish you happiness today. Happy birthday from Dubai P.
Thank you.
Woo!
Thank you.
Happy birthday.